I ordered some makeup from Temu, mostly eye makeup, mascaras and eyeliners, and because it's holiday season ahead of us, they're all in vivid bright colors, so let's see what we got. I have 5 different eyeliners from the same brand I ordered before. It's called Shoeti. I'm gonna see here. I already have this one blue, and this is the best, the most amazing blue you've ever seen. Their eyeliner pens tip is very thin and they're waterproof. They stay on eyelids pretty long. I never had any problem with this eyeliner. I've been using it for a few months now, and this is the second I bought. I never had any eye reaction, allergy, redness, nothing, so in my opinion it's eye safe. I'm trying very hard and it won't go off. And I have these 4 beauties. They're sealed and I need to open them. You'll see what's inside. Double-sided. On one side it's eyeliner. This one is blue. Other side is a stamp. See how pretty it is. Let's see other 3. Let's try green one. From one side is eyeliner, and from the other side little butterfly stamp. More neon orange. Other side is a moon and pink. The other side is heart. Just to make a note that makeup from Temu is, in my opinion, packed better than drugstore makeup, which can everybody open all the time. See, there is this sealed package and inside is again sealed. So it takes time to open everything, but you're sure that nobody opened that before you. So I ordered 3 colorful mascaras. It's blue, purple and green, and let's see how they look like. So beautiful. Color is similar to that eyeliner. The brush is very nice. The other one is green and the brush is a little bit different. It's more dark green. And the third one is purple. Very nice, bright purple. So in some of next videos I will try everything, because holiday season is in front of us. So please, if you like this video, subscribe below, comment and stay with me. See you.